third attempt at the safari. I don't think we should call it an attempt because हमको दो sighting already हो चुके हैं. But इसका sighting नहीं हो रहा. देख, fully covered.
Eskimo.
Oh, where is Panda? Where is Panda?
Seriously. Now look is not important.
Today is much colder than yesterday. Probably 2-3 degrees more.
It feels even more on the open top.
Yeah, and I had to buy these extra 150 rupee gloves. He got a hat and a gloves. I guess every place I'm going, I'm buying a new gloves. Like last time Sikkim में खरीद लिया, उसके बाद Pangong में खरीद लिया. So अभी again फिर से gloves खरीद लिया. Today's zone is Kisli. All the vehicles are out. Hoping for what are we hoping for? Leopard. Customer. Leopard is the toughest to find because usually it's on the trees or very well camouflaged. Mind the amazing hair. Lot of safaris, right? So a lot of dust in the hair. Didn't have a chance to take shower, but anyway, done for the stay here in Kanha. My bags are already out there. Just need to wear the riding gear. And next stop would be Nagpur because we can go till Hyderabad. It's just maybe 10-hour actual riding time, but we thought there is no rush, so we'll just stop and go. Enjoyed the third safari?
Excellent. But
ఎక్సలెంట్ అని అలా నీ వర్డ్కి నీ మూడ్కి సింక్ అవట్లేరా?
అంటే ఓవరాల్గా నేను ఎక్సలెంట్ అన్నా.
ఆల్ టిక్స్. 3 safaris, 3 sighting ticks.
3 ticks.
I say it's 2.5, but he says 3, so we are still arguing about it.
Because I enjoyed the third safari, viewing it directly rather than trying to capture the pictures.
Yeah.
So that way I'm very happy.
We heard tiger roar for the first time. Oh.
It's not the first time in life, but
oh, you heard it before?
Huh?
Oh, I didn't hear. This is the first time in the wild for me. I only heard online TVs and sounds.
I saw 2 tigers fighting.
Yeah, in Tadoba you told me.
Tadoba.
So the video you saw earlier was when there was that tiger roar, like mind the roar outside, but the tiger roar is entirely different. Chalo, the boys are here to pick up the bags. I'll catch you guys on the road. There is nothing much interesting to see on the road, but we'll see. Both the bikes are packed and ready to go. You know, the best part about any resort or any hotel is the service. Your stay would be more comfortable, even if there are occasionally 1 or 2 things. If the service is prompt and quick, you'll be very happy with it when you exit. And we both are leaving with a happy face.
Absolutely.
Service gave us a pleasant stay. And thanks to them, Lalit helped us quite a lot. Ankit with the food and all, bag support ka sabka. Thank you so much. Dhanyawad. Khayal rakho.
Welcome.
And if you are around Kanha, definitely visit Kanha Eco Village Resort because it will help the local people have more with the tourism and all. So please, in case you check out the reviews, it's a very well reviewed place. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
About to join Seoni, that would be the National Highway 44. So you have to travel roughly 2 hours from Seoni on a state highway to reach Kanha. This route is like 90% good. Occasionally you'll have bumps and railway crossings, but that's fine. Very manageable on the ADV. It took us 2 hours to cover 120 kilometers, so roughly 60 kilometers per hour average speed. But the best part, the reason I wanted to show this to you is just look at those sky colors, man. Amazing orange, blue, yellowish tint. Like, I hope GoPro Hero 9 is doing justice because in person it looks more blue, more orangey, more reddish. And from what I can see on the screen, I don't know, I will have to see while editing, but loving the sunset here. Forests sunsets when there is hardly any pollution is the best sunset, man. The current ETA is 8 o'clock, 8:30 at some chai break and all. Just another 120 kilometers, so we can probably do it non-stop. But we'll just stop for 5-10 minutes for Panda to fit his Senna. It's almost, we forgot charging our Senna because we didn't plan to leave today. The original plan was to leave tomorrow morning directly to Hyderabad non-stop, but we thought there is nothing much to do here in you get bumps like that. Yeah, there's nothing much to do here in Kana because all the safari's done. You just sit at the resort and chill. So what's the point? Okay, time to switch on the lights. Everybody is having high beams on. Why shouldn't I? See, now it's lighting up the bumps pretty well. And there is slight mist or fog, so better to have some lights. I think I've probably put on maybe 2 kilos in this trip.
నువ్వే 2 kilos పెరిగావంటే నా పరిస్థితి ఏందమ్మా?
నువ్వు డైట్లో ఉన్నావురా. వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి చికెన్ సీజర్ సాలడ్ అయ్యింది తింటున్నావు, కానీ ఇలాంటి కష్టం. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? సో హీ సేస్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద, ఐ నో ఆరెంజ్ ఇస్ ఫేమస్ హియర్, బట్ ఆరెంజ్ బర్ఫీ ఈస్ మోర్ ఫేమస్.
ఆరెంజ్ సిటీకి వచ్చి ఆరెంజ్ బర్ఫీ తీసుకోపోతే ఎట్లా?
దే హ్యావ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఆరెంజ్, యు నో.
ఈవెన్ మెట్రో స్టేషన్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఆరెంజ్. సేమ్ కాంబో,
సేమ్ కలర్. Nice. So this is available in only in Nagpur.
Yes.
So special. Okay, let's taste it.
Open. Do the honors.
You unbox. రే ప్యాకింగ్ కి పనికొచ్చేటట్టు.
అదే చాలా గట్టిగా చేశాడు. Okay, there is a tray inside.
Slow motion.
So this is how you'll get it. Now let's see the ingredients.
1 2 3 4.
So they're saying orange
1 2
burfi,
3
right?
4 5 6. Hey no. 5 4 20. Only 23.
See the ingredients here.
వద్దు తిప్పే.
యాష్ గార్డ్ అంటారా?
అంటే బొగ్గ.
మన సొరకాయ.
ఓకే.
సొరకాయ, మిల్క్ సాలిడ్స్, ఆరెంజ్ పల్ప్ 2%. బట్ దిస్ ఏ ఆరెంజ్ బర్ఫీ.
2% కి ఇంత లుల్లా.
అదేదో నిజంగా
ప్రిజర్వేటివ్స్, కలర్స్
అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. కమాన్.
Thank you.
I'll have one.
This is good enough. We can have full. It is chota chota. Shiva would finish half of this
Full.
in one day.
One shot.
Rating?
It definitely feels good, but
It's
I don't know.
it's not like mad.
It's just a traditional flavor.
Can taste a lot of orange, like really orangey. But it's the same orange like you get those bus stations లో ఒక ఆరెంజ్ స్వీట్ వస్తుంది చూడు.
చిన్నప్పుడు రూపాయికి 10-20 ప్యాక్
Candies, orange candy.
క్యాండీస్ వచ్చేవి.
It feels exactly like that. I think this appeals to people who had regular burfi and wanted something different, which they can't get. Off from Nagpur, 8 hours is the travel time, but I think we'll do it in 6. I need to get this bloody horn fixed once I go to Hyderabad. There's just the connector which is loose. 10:30 ho gaya. Original plan was maybe 9:39, but both of us were lazy to get up, and we are in the outskirts of Nagpur anyway, so to go to the highway it will just take 10 minutes. We are near airport metro, and Nagpur is as such that when you stay close to the airport, getting into the core center of the city is not that far away, maybe 15-minute bike ride, that's it. So raat mein if you want to try some food or something, you can just go there, have food and come. Didn't have Haldiram's again though. His back got scraped to the tire. Everything's fine. The tire is scraped very barely, but the back got torn, and he's due upgrade panniers. And when you're carrying panniers, a lot of the time people miss the fact and just pack it fully to the brim and carry as much as possible. The space might be a lot, but there is always a weight limit for bags. Like for my bags, it's 10 kilos on each side, but I try to keep 1 kilo higher on the left and one on the right, a bit less, because the right side has the exhaust, right? Even the bike is balanced, it's just that if you want to get the correct weight balance, you need to adjust. It depends on your bike, the exhaust system. If it is under seat exhaust, you don't need to balance as such. You would know if it is not balanced because when you leave the handlebar, the bike shakes. It can wear out your tires faster, and also not so safe on the highway. Chalo, bye bye, see you soon. Enjoyed the tiger, enjoyed the ride. అంత ఆలోచిస్తావేంట్రా, మాట్లాడుకుంటా లేవు. బాయ్. Welcome to Pragati Nagar traffic. Chalo guys, that's the end of this series and this vlog. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and in case you're watching this at night time, have a good night and take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.